Commit in MySQL means saving changes and making them permanent so everybody else on the server can see it. Also, there's a variable called Autocommit on MySQL, and it's turned on by default, and it auto-saves every command and changes that we make on the server. In this video, we'll be talking about committing, the Autocommit variable, and also how we can undo the changes that we make on the server by the rollback command. First, let's take a look at the variable. If I type show variables like autocommit, you see that the value is set to default, that is on. If I want to change a variable value on the MySQL server, no matter it's autocommit or any other type of variable, we can type set and then the name of the variable and then the value that we want it to have. Now, show variable again will show the value is off. Now that I have the autocommit off, if I make any changes on this server, it won't be permanent. It won't be saved permanently, so I can roll back. I can undo the changes with the rollback command. Let's take a look at the lessons table first to make it more clear. Select all from lessons will return the records from this table. These are the records that we already have, and since we have the autocommit off, if I do delete from lessons and select from it again, I will get an empty set, and these changes, the delete change that I have made is not saved yet because I have not typed the commit command. So if I type rollback and again I select, I will see that all the records are restored. But if I do the delete from lessons and then commit and then select, the changes will be permanent since I have written the commit command. And this is how we deal with the commit command, the autocommit variable, changing the variables on MySQL, and how we can undo and deal with the rollback. That's it for this video, but in the next one we will be talking more about variables and also user-defined variables.